In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into TikTok on your PC using your phone and a QR code. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to get this done, we first must head over to the TikTok website, and from there, it should look something like this. Now, from there, we can choose to log in the top right corner. And they actually give us a bunch of different methods to log into our TikTok account, but since we're trying to log in with a QR code, we can use this top option, which is use QR code. From there, we get given a QR code and they give us two simple steps. So they say first, scan this with your mobile device's camera, and then you can confirm your login or sign up. So what you want to do from now is go ahead and open up your phone. So what you want to do is open up the camera app on your phone, and from there, you can simply scan the QR code. So you just want to make sure to scan over the QR code, and then you should see a yellow box come up that says TikTok. So we can simply click on that yellow box and it will take us over to the TikTok app, and from here we can authorize the QR code login. So it says confirm login on TikTok for desktop, and if we are happy and we want to log in this way, we can go ahead and click confirm at the bottom of the screen. And from there, now that you've confirmed it, you'll actually be able to go over to your PC and you can see that you are logged in. And from here, I'm now logged into TikTok on my PC with the same account I use on my phone. So that's exactly how you can log into TikTok with a QR code. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say I helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see some more content like this. Thanks for watching.